Hey everybody, JEMcg here, back with another video, and today we're going to go over a couple more tools, and let me know if the sound is okay, because the other day I was trying to record a video and I kept coughing and blowing everything out with the volume, so I messed with the volume a bit and I hope it's okay. Let me know if it sounds good to you. Alright, let's get into this. Select Blender here, and go to Edit Mode. We're going to work on the loop cut and knife tool today. Loop cut I use a lot when I'm modeling. Knife tool, like, almost never. It has its uses, and I'm sure some people like it more than I do, but I'll show you how it works. I'm not going to go too in depth with it. Okay, so we've got our cube here, and let's select the loop cut tool, and you can kind of just hover over an edge, and it gives you a little indication of what will happen if you click. So click and it cuts this cube down the center all the way around, and is basically just like it sounds, a loop cut. And you can kind of keep going on into infinity. Say you wanted to make this, well, let's see, take these. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Let's get the selection and get these. Hit GZ, bring it up. Now your cube is a house. That easy. That's all you have to do. Modeling is so simple. No, but you can easily add more resolutions, you can add more details, and just the loop cut, the cube can become a much more complex shape very quickly and easily. And I use it more than any other tool, I think. Now, extrusion probably is up there too. And now you'll notice this, it follows the shape in between the two edges you're cutting, or the faces, I guess, and it will, instead of being like perfectly flat like here, it kind of follows the shape, which can be good and bad, but it's easy to fix. Like, I have all these points selected, just scale Z, and it's flat-ish. You might have to spend a little time to get that perfect, but yeah. Alright, so that is a quick look at the loop cut. Oh, I forgot. Previously, when you did a loop cut in Blender like 2.9 and back, you'd click, and until you right click, it kind of was in limbo, and you could use the middle mouse button to roll up so you'd have more cuts, and it was kind of quick and kind of nice. They've taken that away. That no longer works that way. Now you just click and it's done. But there is a little menu down here and up here. I like this one for some reason, and you can add that. So it's basically, they didn't take anything away, they just changed how you do it, and it works just as well, I guess. Not necessarily, I mean, I guess it's plenty intuitive, it's just I was used to the old way. Yeah, and you can obviously change the fall off and everything if you want, but I'm not going to get into any of that. Okay, so let's see the knife tool. So you can kind of just cut, 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 and cut, and then hit enter, and you've created a really nasty edge loop. I don't see the reason to ever use that, because now it's all uneven. I think, you know, if you wanted to do something like, the knife tool is really useful when you do something like this, because you cannot loop cut diagonally, obviously. It only works in a loop. Or if maybe you just wanted to go from here to here to cut something, that is the only purpose for the knife tool, because doing it this way is just silly. A loop cut is faster and easier. I mean, I can think of some situations where you might want this, especially in an organic character, or a game character or model where you want to, topology has to be as simple as possible. Triangles are something you're going to use a lot, and you can easily get away with getting the detail you want without creating a whole edge loop, just by using the knife tool to add some edges here and there as needed. So I'm just clicking, and it follows the edge. It likes to snap to points that are already there, so it kind of connects like that, and then you just hit enter, and it is finalized. Of course, you can just Control Z and get rid of it. Yeah, so that is the edge loop and knife cut tool. You can see there's little arrows, so there's actually some other subtools here. The bisect tool, I didn't understand how this even worked until I played with it a bit. I don't know if it was there before. Maybe it just wasn't that noticeable. You have to select, like I've got this ring selected here, and then click and drag, and now you have, oh, okay, so yeah, in perspective it kind of goes back instead of, okay, let's put in orthographic, and perfectly, oh, maybe, there we go. Try that again, like that. It's not exactly straight. Okay, yeah, so let's create an edge loop, I guess. If I just select this face, though, not what I wanted. Yeah, so I mean, I guess it's another knife tool in a way. And then I'm going to select this. I think if you hit hold Control while you do it, oh, no, Shift. I thought there was a way you could actually make it like perfectly straight, but I guess not. Okay, yeah, I've never used that tool, probably never will. Neither of these tools, but there they are. Use them at your own discretion, I guess, and let me know in the comments if you know of a great way to use these, or maybe I'm an idiot and it's like the best tool ever. Let me know. There's also this offset edge loop tool that is, let's select, I don't know, what is that doing? Let's select these faces. No, we'll do these and these. And then, oh, interesting. So based off my selection, it's going outside of it. So I had these and these faces selected, so it cut around it. Interesting. I'm gonna have to play around with that and get back to you all about that. Weird. Never used that either. Yeah, so anyway, that is the video for today, and please comments. If I suck at this, I'm starting to think so too. And let me know any videos you want to see me do, or if you want me to stop trying to do tutorials and just model something, let me know. Alright, you all have a nice day. Good night. Good day.